This is the confidence interval interactive calculator, which computes confidence intervals for statistical parameters based on your sample data. The calculator computes confidence intervals for statistical parameters based on your sample data. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Calculation Mode with 6 options: mean with known population standard deviation, mean with unknown population standard deviation using t-distribution, proportion, required sample size, margin of error analysis, and difference between two means. For this demonstration, I've selected mean with known population standard deviation. The input fields are sample mean x-bar, population standard deviation sigma, sample size n, and confidence level percentage. There are additional fields for other calculation modes, including sample standard deviation s, sample proportion p-hat, desired margin of error e, sample mean 2, standard deviation 2, and sample size 2. Let's work through an example. I'll enter sample mean equals 10, population standard deviation equals 10, sample size equals 10, and confidence level equals 95%. After clicking Calculate, the results show lower bound equals 3.8019, upper bound equals 16.1981, margin of error equals 6.1981, and critical value equals 1.9600. The interpretation states we are 95% confident that the true population mean lies between 3.8019 and 16.1981, with a standard error of 3.11623. Find the link in the description below.